So, today we are going to understand the concept of time. To know the concept of time, we would have to think about the starting of the universe. Because time began when space came into existence. Space and time are the linear to one another. So when time increases, say space also increases. So these are like one to one ratio of one another. So we are going to talk about them. So here's a great example from me. I have also learned it from somewhere else because everything that I'm going to say to you isn't my own thesis. Some are, but not every. But the thing that I'm trying to say here that came into my mind one day, and also I heard it somewhere else as well. That here's it how it goes. If you keep an apple inside a box, the box should be indestructible. It cannot be destroyed. Now, after putting the apple there, what do we expect? After an hour, after 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1,000 minutes, after so long, the apple will, after a year, the apple will start to decompose itself. It will disintegrate. The atoms of it try to move here and there. They will try to leave the apple. Yeah, because of the gradual time. Due to high amount of time, the apple will try to leave itself. Now, during that period, after 2 years, the apple will completely be gone. Through the naked eyes, we cannot be seen. We cannot see that. Through some compound microscope, we cannot also see. Electronic microscope, we can see that. So, through that microscope, you can see that there are still atoms present there. Due to the box being made of indestructible material, it cannot leave outside. So, what do we learn from that? That atoms are still present there. Now, after like 1,000 years, what happens? The atoms will form various type of bonds because it's their nature. It's their chemical reactivity, chemical activity to attain stability. It earlier had the form of stability due to being in the shape of apple. It was stable. Most of the atoms were stable there. But when we talk about some other thing like the atoms are distributed here and there, they are not stable at that time. Them being not stable means that they are going to form different type of bond to attain stability. So if this experiment continues for n n times, n means infinite times, so there will be a period, there will be an instant when those atoms will come together in random orders and form the apple itself once again. There will be chances because the atoms have not left. The atoms are still there. Due to infinite possibilities there present, the apple will be formed again. And this is the concept of time. Time is such a great interval that if us human died today, we went extinct today, then after some times, after so many times, we will be formed once again because we are made from atoms and those atoms will be present on our planet. If these atoms are taken and put outside the space, then those atoms, if put it inside the box, they will form one day the same being. It might not have life, but it will have the same structure. So that's the power of nature. I mean, we all know that matter can neither be created nor be destroyed, right? So that's the thing. That's why it is like that. This is the reason that matter can recreate itself, having a long duration of time during a large interval of time. So this is the concept of life, and that's why us living being came into existence because it was just a puddle with various type of enzymes, not enzyme but various type of molecules present there. So there was a possibility of forming us beings, us living beings, and that possibility came with a large duration of time. If it simulate this type of action then and provided large duration of time, this organism would form every single time. This is the power of time. You should understand that and you should conserve your time because the time taken to form one being to another being is very very large. You will pass by during that time. So conserve your time. That's what I'm trying to say. Thank you.